Now in Austria. In Austria, on the famous Red Bull Ring, you know, a Formula One racetrack, but also a truck racing racetrack. Kiss is on the lead, but the Freightliner and Jökkönen and all the other competitors are also in the game. Other news this weekend, we have an Iveco team with two trucks there with a national hero, Markus Alstanstracher, but also the famous Gerd Körber. Two trucks from Tampool Mercedes team with André Kursim and Roland Rellfeld, and believe me, it will be a nice show on the track.
So I'm really happy for the team and very thankful for the guys in the team. It was a little bit crazy, as usual. Problem. As I said, it was a really hard 2 weeks at home for the guys and for me as well, and I'm really glad that we are here now. Adam was very quick in the second part of the race. I had to push hard. Everything is working great. Good job with the racetrack. It's just, awesome. I can do whatever I want.